Hey guys, how you guys doing? Welcome to another video. If this is your first time visiting my channel, you're welcome. If not, welcome back to another video. My name is Stella Sylvester. On this channel I do lifestyle, I do fashion, I do beauty. Welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be giving you guys a room tour, showing you guys my room, an updated or renovated room tour, because this is actually not how my room looked before, and you guys are going to see that in this video, the renovation and everything. So this is the door that leads into my rooms, and here we have this plant I actually got from the market. If you follow my channel for a while, you will know that I actually got all these things with time. Like, my room wasn't like this. I didn't get everything overnight. I actually bought some of these things with time. Here is my shoe rack, and this plant, I got this plant from the market as well, and this vase I had earlier on, so it's not new. And all these shoes are my shoes and bag. Yeah, unless I forgot, someone asked for a bag. Just asked me to show you guys my bag, and I'll be doing that after this video. So yeah, as I said, here I have my bags, the few bags that I have. You guys see, I don't have a lot. And here I have my shoes. I'm not the best when it comes to arranging, so I just put my like palms here, or my cock shoes here. I put my what's it called, sandals here. Then here I have my mules. Then here I have my sneakers, and then I have picture frames and my hair tools. So from this you guys will see that I am a sneaker girl. I love sneakers, they're very easy to wear, so that hence explains that I have a lot of sneakers. So here takes us to this very interesting part of my room. Yeah, this is the camera lady Barcy in the background. You guys, hello. Yeah, so yeah, this plant, guys, it's so precious to me. This little plant I got from Shein. It's very beautiful. It's so little and precious. All this you guys already saw in my hauls. I do hauls on this channel, but funny enough, I don't think you guys really like seeing haul videos. But yeah, all these things I already have them on my channel when I got them from the beginning. So in case you're wondering where I got them from, how I got them, just go back to my videos, my vlogs, because I put them in vlogs. Just go back to my vlogs and watch all my vlogs. You're going to see each and everything, even the lighting, the fixtures, everything I changed. You're going to see them in all my videos. Okay, coming to this stuff here, I just put in this sunglasses, which I think I should wear. I have this very beautiful, it's supposed to be like for makeup brush. I got this from Shein, as I said, is in the vlog here. So I just put it here to just, you guys see how it added some very beautiful look to this part of the room. And here we have this plant that I love so much. I actually got this from my own market. Fact, this thing didn't come like this, guys. It came with some yellow, orange decor for people who like it. So I took them out because I didn't want all those rubber. All these plants are fox plants, and I didn't want those colored orange stuff to remind me that this thing is fake. Okay, so it's fake. Anyway, guys, this one is a makeup brush, a brush pack or a brush container. In fact, I don't even know what is inside this thing anymore. I have used it to put my watches at some point. I put jewelry at some point. Yeah, I think jewelry are still here. It's actually from Murphy, as you guys can see, or Muff. From Murphy, and I got it when they were on sales sometime. Yeah, and I changed it because I love it so much. I couldn't just imagine putting foundation and dirty stuff around it, so I just changed it to my, you know, what's it called, my decor piece, you know, and put my beautiful jewelry inside. And I think it goes so well. This goes so well with that bag over there. You guys, I don't know if you guys can see that striped bag and this stuff, so it just aligns so well. Like little things that just get to me. I'm just this Stella. So this plant, again, you guys saw in a vlog that I got from Shein not so long ago. I'm trying to put on the alarm for you guys, but if this thing starts ringing, it doesn't go off. So let's just not put on the alarm. Let's just manage it. But this beautiful clock, which is actually real, like it works. It's really, it's not fake. It's actually real clock. It tells the time. It's from Shein as well. This light is actually from a vendor on Instagram. So this candle is from Bath and Body Works. It's their white bean vanilla flavor. I've been lighting it for a long time, hence it's you can see it has this liquid like stuff. So Let me keep it down before it burns my hand. It's just very beautiful. It makes my room smell really nice. So let's come to my bed. These frames I got from AliExpress, and that also is in a vlog in case you're wondering. I got the, what's it called, the canvas, which is the stuff inside, differently. I got this one differently. I decided to keep it this shape because I found out that if it's aligned like on the same line, it won't be very beautiful. So I tried to keep it this way. I don't know what's up with the lighting, but it's beginning to look dark. I'm sorry. Let's go to the interesting part of the room, which is the bed, guys. Here is my computer, my normal computer. This bed has been here. It didn't change. Nothing changed about this bed. The only thing that changed is that I changed the sheets, the pillowcases, and I added throw pillows, which you guys already know when I went to get that from Next Cash and Carry. And I added this pillowcase, white pillowcase. This is actually brown. I actually threw this here because I just wanted like a mixture of colors. I didn't want just everything to be just pure white. Remember, the room is white and black, and it was giving me too much white and black law vibe. If you're a lawyer, you understand what I mean. So I didn't want that. I still wanted to have some color pop up here and there, even if not so much color. So yeah, so the pillow and the straws. These straws I got from, as I said, I got from Next Cash and Carry. And then I got the pillows. I had pillows though, but I just got extra pillows, but these are not the ones I got. I got just one or two here. I had pillows at home and just added different, just to play with colors for the pillows. Then the sheet is a white. This sheet is a king size sheet. It came with 2 pillowcases and 1 bed sheet and 1 bed cover. So everything was 15,000. I also have that in a vlog. You guys already must have seen that vlog where I went to shop my kids somewhere. Even this blanket, beautiful blanket that I also got from that supermarket, as well as the, and I think I got them 15k each or something like that. You guys already know, like I've showed you guys all that. Yeah, what else again? Okay, and my TV, like, girl, I haven't showed you guys my television, LG, and this beautiful plant. I don't know if I showed you guys, but I got this from my one market, as well as the rubber vase. So this beautiful here, guys. I love this, guys. I love this frame. I love this frame so much. I don't know if it's my favorite. I'm thinking between this one and the one with the ocean, which one is more. I think this is my favorite, guys. This thing is so beautiful. I don't know if this video is showing you guys, but like it's just a lady, dreamy lady, like living her best life. Do you guys see how happy and free she looks? This is like one of my best frame, my fave in this house. I have quite a number of frames around everywhere, but this is my fave because of the story behind it. It's really beautiful, and that's why I put it here, so it can reflect in my mirror. From here now you can always see it, like you can see me from here. So this is also showing at the background. I love this. Okay, the curtains. These are blinds. You guys already know these blinds. I made them. The guy that made it, I also have a video that shows the installation process. He installed these blinds for me. I didn't have blinds. The blinds I had here were in this one. They were the plastic one, or will I say, yeah, I think they were plastic. I don't know what, that sharp one, you know, that my kids were always ruining. But this one, it's very difficult for them to ruin it. Rather, the only thing they can do is just get it dirty, and I can always call the guy to come wash and clean up. So the light features, I said, you guys saw the vlog how I changed it. I went to what part, I don't know what part of Port Harcourt is that. I think I can't remember, but yeah, I went there and I got lights. That's like the light village of Port Harcourt. So I went there, I got lights. I chose the colors I wanted, like, because before now my room was pink and it was beautiful, but it was due for a change. And so I think this is very beautiful, aesthetic. I didn't want it to be too much, but I just wanted it to just be beautiful, clean, and yeah, I think I was able to achieve that. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. So what part of this room is your favorite? What part do you like more? What do you like about each part of the room? And yeah, what would you change or what would you not change? Just let me know down in the comment section. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do to subscribe, like, share this video to your friends, to your loved ones. I'm sure they're going to love it as well. I thank you so much for your support. Love you so much. Thank you. And yeah, as I said, I'll be filming a bag collection video because someone requested for it here on this channel. So if you like videos like this, lifestyle, food, bag collection, fashion, everything, subscribe. Okay, bye.
Maybe I'm insecure, or maybe the world is the problem. I guess I'm not really sure, so how do I learn what I'm worth?